Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you the add-ons you can use in the VS Code for your development purpose. So I'm going to show you the add-ons which I use. So first, let me restart my VS Code. Then I'll show my add-ons which I use. Sorry. I'll launch the VS Code. And then I will go to this extensions. So extensions are kind of plugins to the editor which provides several functionality which this editor doesn't provide. So people around the world create those extensions and provide it to use in the VS Code. So let's start with this is ACF snippet. If you are WordPress developer, you will need this, but I'll show you some common add-ons. So first is the theme. This is Cobalt 2 theme, and I liked it, so I have installed it. And then this one is color highlight. So whenever you add any color code, it will highlight like this. Then this one is my favorite, file sync. So if you are using separate repo than the project folder, then you will need this file sync. For example, you have a Git repo and you have a WordPress repo separate. You will not use that repo as a Git repo into WordPress installation. You will have that into the separate part. Let me explain this. So these are my separate Git repos for these projects, and this is my actual WordPress installations. So I work in this repo and sync my file to this WordPress installation. So at that time, you will need that file synchronization. And how you can do that? So press Command Shift P, or on Window Control Shift P. Search for Open Setting and click on Open Setting JSON. So in this JSON, you have this section called File Sync Mappings. You have to add this by yourself, and here you can provide the source. So you can see my source is this. This is my Git repo. I work in this repo, and this is the destination, and the destination is this WordPress installation. So when I save the file through this Git repo, it automatically send file to this destination. So you can add as much as you want. Then this one is Git blame. So you can check who did what by just clicking on that below thing. Let me show you if I can show you. Yep. this one. So it opens this commit. Then this is GitHub Copilot. So it suggests the code snippet when you write your code. But it is not available for all. You have to first get the access to GitHub Pilot. So once you install this, you will have to follow the step. Like you have to sign up for the wait list. Once it is confirmed, then only you can start using GitHub Copilot. Then this one also a theme that I liked it. I have installed it. Then this one material icons, so it shows icon based on the file types and folders. So for example, folders are looking like this. Then the PHP, so if that's a PHP file, it shows like this. Zip looks like this. Then CSS, JS, so all of the icons looks like based on what type of they are. Then again, this is the theme, one dark bimbo. These are some PHP related, that is for my use. It's not common. Yeah, this one is also my favorite, rainbow brackets. So it gives colors to the bracket. If you have multiple brackets, you can easily understand what brackets are closing where. Let me show you an example. So first bracket is this color. Then it is like this. Let me add one more. So it gives the different color to the different brackets so that you can have an idea of what bracket closes where, like this. These are some React related. It's not common. Yeah, this one is very necessary. Terminal from June Han. So it is providing a terminal to your editor, and you can do whatever you want for in the terminal. You don't need to open a separate terminal. And this one again, my favorite, to do highlight. So on the function documentation, you can, if you want to do something in future, or maybe you are providing some temporary solution, so that you can highlight those things. So let me show you that. If you write down in the capital to do, it will highlight this. Then fix me. So this kind of highlights it does. And this one is the Pola code, again my favorite. It does take a screenshot, or maybe you can generate a screenshot of your code. So for example, let me show you. Command Shift P or Control Shift P and write down Pola code. Let me get rid of this. So once you select any code, it will generate a screenshot like this. Then there was one more, highlight trailing white spaces. So it highlights the trailing white space if you left any like this. So during the code, we don't need to, we should not leave these trailing spaces for the performance purpose. So yeah, these are some add-ons you can use commonly in your VS Code. Thanks for watching the video.